Hi students, welcome to Bheesma AS Academy. This is our second class on Constitution part of Indian Polity, free online course for TNPSC preparation. Okay, in this video we are going to see about Preamble of Indian Constitution. What is Preamble? Preamble is a kind of introduction or preface to the Constitution. Okay, it reads as follow, like we just read this. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice in terms of social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1942, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Okay, in this note 1 and 2 are given below. That is, this 42nd Amendment Act of 1976 only added this socialist and secular word, and then integrity in the fourth line of this preamble. Okay, now we see certain interpretations from the preamble. Okay, that is, there are four inferences we can derive from preamble. One, it provides who is the source of authority for constitution. It reads as we the people of India. So it is the people of India which provides for authority to our constitution. Okay, next one is nature of Indian state, that is sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, and republic. Right here, these terms in preamble describes the nature of the Indian state. Okay, next one is objective of the constitution, that is justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. As we read the preamble, it says the objective is to secure all its citizens justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Next one is date of adoption. It says we adopt and we adopt and give to effect, right? That is on 26th November 1949. So date of adoption is 26th November 1949. So these are the inferences. Now we see preamble, its status in the present day with respect to, that is, whether the preamble is a part of constitution or not, and the status of its amendability. In this regard, there are three important cases are there. One is Berubari Union case in 1960. In this case, the Supreme Court said that preamble is not a part of the constitution, whereas in 1973, case 1 in the Bharati case, the Supreme Court rejected its earlier judgment or opinion, and it said that preamble is a part of constitution and hence it can be amended as per Article 368. That is the procedure stated in Article 368, but it had put a condition that the basic structure should not be amended. Like basic structure refers are certain things like federal nature of the state, bicameral legislature, that is Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha. These things should not be amended when the preamble is amended. Okay. Next case is LIC of India case 1995. In this case, again the Supreme Court reiterated that preamble is a part of the constitution. Okay. From this we can understand the opinion of the founding fathers of constitution, that the preamble is neither a source of power to the legislature nor it is a prohibition upon the powers of legislature. It means it is not providing power to legislature, or it is not restricting the powers of legislature to enact any act or law or to amend the preamble itself. Okay, next one is it is non-justiciable. That means when the preamble is when the thing given in preamble is being violated by an act or regulation of legislature, you cannot go to the court, or that means its provisions are not enforceable in court of law. For example, this it reads like Indian state is a sovereign socialist, right? But in 1991 we came up with new economic policy which provided for liberalization, privatization and globalization. These are completely against socialistic principle, but it cannot be questioned in the court because the socialist principle is being given in the preamble only. Okay, next one is setting what important points to remember with respect to preamble. First, a statement is given. This question was asked in TNPSC once. Preamble as the identity card of constitution. This was said by N.A. Palkiwala. Next, this preamble was based on the objective resolution that was moved by Jawaharlal Nehru in the Constituent Assembly in 13th December 1946, and the same was adopted by Constituent Assembly on 22nd January 1947. Question can be asked in this also. Next, liberty, equality and fraternity. These terms are being taken from French Revolution 1789 to 1799, and then justice in terms of social, economic and political. These words are being taken from Russian Revolution 1917, and then this important fact: socialist, secular and integrity. These words are being added to preamble by 42nd Amendment Act 1976. So these are the important points to remember with respect to preamble. Question can be asked from this directly. So with this we conclude this class on preamble. Thank you guys.